Hi, I'm RaDona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have my sweet, beautiful mom with me, and she needs a haircut. So I wanted to show you what we are going to change a little bit about her cut. We are just gonna go a little tighter through the back here. It's really long here. We're gonna bring this up a tiny bit, but we're gonna leave more fringe, and I'm gonna like piece that out a little bit more towards her face. So anyway, let's get going. The back here, we love short. Definitely love it short. So we're just gonna bring this up, her hairline here. Yeah, it's so much easier, especially for my mom, to keep it in. We all know that it's best if you don't, wash your hair every single day. Yes, it is okay, but it is best if you don't. And my mom's really good at keeping hers in. And one of the keys to that, well, she has a special pillow that she sleeps on. That's the first key.
About my
pillow.
We
tease her about her pillow, but it's fine, right? It's fine. But the other thing is definitely, if it's shorter, it's going to stay in easier. So, okay, I'm just going to start down here below. I'm just going to clip that hair out of the way. Okay, so down here below, I'm going to come tight here. Just so this is tight and easy. So down here, I'm touching, but as I go up, I'm not touching her head, if that makes sense. So it's tighter down below, and as I go up, I go out just a little bit. So there's a little bit of length out through this area. My mom just had a birthday, so that was fun. We just was celebrating that a little bit. That was fun to go do together, wasn't it, Mom?
Yes, it was.
It was good, it was good.
So fun.
Okay. All right, so you can see how that is tight and see how this is long over here. This is the way it will look once you angle your fingers that way and take that length off. Okay, same thing on this side. We're just gonna hold this out, go closer towards the nape of her neck. Okay, now I don't need the clip. I'm just gonna take that hair, comb that forward. Okay, now this hair we're going to take off here. So this is like the second section that I'm taking and bringing this across, and I'm just holding it out on an angle from her head, but I go all the way from the middle to the sides over here. Okay, so same thing here. And I just follow that guide point, the hair that I have cut right before that. If you need to section it out, that's great. Just go ahead and section it out to keep track of your sections if you need to. Yeah, it always seems like when we do my mom's hair a little bit shorter, she ends up loving it.
I do.
It's a lot easier, huh?
Yes, yeah. I really enjoy it short.
Good, good, good. Okay, now I'm gonna take this top, bring this around. I'm just kind of point cutting into that length. So And the top, I mean, I don't like it way long. I don't like it way short. This is just kind of in between, just because I love to give her height on the top. So you obviously don't want to go too short. Plus, having it short on the back and the sides a little bit shorter, it just styles it. It looks more classy, I feel. And I know she's not going to like this, but my mom is very classy.
Oh,
so,
my word.
Yeah, see, I always embarrass her in the videos.
Right,
that's why she just has to sit here and deal with me.
Goodness.
She just shakes her head. So you can see I'm just coming around like 90-degree angle. But it shows that I'm just coming into those layers that I have already created below. Okay. Okay, sweet. Now, up top, what we're gonna do is just come straight across. Take a little bit of that length. You guys, I'm getting so excited. Getting really close to moving into my house. It's almost done. So I'm really excited. We will do a video on the salon here in a little bit and post that. That'll be fun. Okay, now the sides, I'm just gonna hold this out. Come along this way. And same thing, I'm just kind of coming up this way to this top layer. See the layers over there. So I just come over and connect to that layer. And like I was saying, I want to piece it out around her face. I think that's really super cute. Okay, so I want to leave all this length, okay, there. But I do, just hold this with my hand here. I do want to take this a little closer by her ear. I'm gonna just bring that and cut behind there. Okay, so you can see there's still that length there. I'm gonna take, just open and shut my shears, come through here to make this more piecey looking. And then once we dry, if I feel like that needs to go a little shorter, then we'll go a little shorter. But I wanna leave that a little bit longer so we can piece that out more. Okay, so same with this side. We're gonna hold this out. We're gonna bring this in from these layers out here. I'm kind of doing an angle down. Doing good, Mom?
You betcha.
Okay.
I'm always relaxed when I get
That's
my
right. When you
haircut.
get your hair cut, definitely a relaxing time for sure. Okay, so same thing here. I'm gonna take that short back here by her ear. That's what I did on the other side also. And then hold from where that is cut and come down to that length. So it's more of, you know, point right there. Okay, then she goes this way. So what we're gonna do, open and shut the shears through here to piece this out. Same thing through the bang area, a little long, but I won't scalp you, promise. So different lengths up through here, up through her bang area. And then, like I said, if I feel like it needs to be shorter once we dry, then great. But we're gonna dry it first. Okay, texture up through this area. Mom's done really well. She just keeps her mouth just closed and just smiles when I do this because it freaks her out. She's like, no, my hair's fine. I'm like, that's okay. It needs some. I'm like, you know how you like it to stay in? This will help it stay in. So now she just smiles when I do it. She doesn't like, took a few years, didn't it?
It did. Honestly, it did.
It
Yeah.
did.
It did. Scared me.
It did scare her. So if you're scared out there, it's okay. You'll get over it once in your life. Might take a little bit, but it's okay.
You still have hair.
That's right. You do still have hair, and it has volume, and it helps stay in. Okay. So I put the mousse, a little bit of volume and lift spray. Now we are going to dry it, and then I'll show you how to style it. Okay, you guys, so now that we are done, almost done, ground brushing, again, I just turn it on low, kind of come back through the hair and place it. Just make sure it's all dry. Oh, that's so cute.
I like it already.
Well, good, good. Okay, a little bit of the shiny pomade. I'm just gonna rub it here in my fingers. And we'll grab at her hair. The thing I love about this pomade that I found, I mean, it is a shine pomade and it really is shining. Mom said the other day, oh, my hair looks shiny, thank you. And I'm like, oh, well, you're welcome. It was the pomade. It's nice. A lot of pomades can make your hair look dull, so I really love it. This one's shiny. Okay. Her sides, I really want to piece those out. Okay, and then back comb, in, down, and out. If you've watched my other videos, I like to emphasize that just because sometimes a lot of people will, you know, go straight up and down when they back comb just like this, and then their hair doesn't stay. So if you come in, down, and out and leave that base down there in the bottom root of your hair, not out through the ends, it will really help your hair stay in. Okay, spray underneath. Just place it back here. All right. Okay, I'm gonna look in the mirror so I can see what I'm doing here.
I like it.
Good, good, good. Thank you. So do I. That's so pretty. So pretty. Yay! Yeah, you. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna
That was fast.
turn her around. Just put this little piece in place here and spray it, and you will be set.
Good enough. Thank you.
Okay, well, thanks for spending time with me and my mom. Glad that you guys jumped on, and thanks for your support. Thanks, Mom, for being you. You're amazing. And have a good day, you guys. See ya.